Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off and removing the battery pack. This prevents shorts and gives access to the holder. Next, use a small Phillips and plastic pry tool to remove the visible screws and gently pry the casing. Avoid metal picks that can damage clips. Once the shell separates, identify the battery holder clips and the contact springs. You're looking for bent or corroded tabs. Make sure to keep screws organized by location, because reassembly relies on returning each screw to its original hole. You'll now focus on the contact springs, the heart of the holder. Clean them first with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to remove grime and corrosion, then dry thoroughly. Once clean, use needle nose pliers to carefully restore spring curvature and tension. Small gradual bends work better than forceful snaps. If a spring is broken, salvage one from a donor pack or replace with a similar contact. After reshaping, test fit the battery to confirm consistent pressure on both terminals and smooth. You'll reassemble by aligning the casing and reinstalling screws in the order you recorded. Tighten until snug, but don't over-tighten plastic threads. Once closed, insert the battery and power on the controller to verify steady power and charging. Check button responsiveness and LED indicators. If power is intermittent, make sure contact springs retain tension and that no debris blocks the terminals. If still failing, inspect solder joints on the holder and reflow lightly if you're comfortable. A single troubleshooting tip: if the battery barely
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.